fives, hundreds, and 50s. And so yeah, this machine will take 20s. It'll take ones, 20s, fives, hundreds, and 50s. It will just go in just like this. You can check up there, you see the balance $20. So that's how that works. So let's say you go and buy something for, let's say, you go and buy something $125, right? See how that popped open? I would get my product out. Now watch this.
Thank you.
This machine, now look, $15 is my change. Why is it giving me the dollars right out of the bill acceptor? Because this is a smart vending machine. See, this is how you able to do these type of numbers that I've been showing you. And it will give you all your change. Your change is $15. And it'll keep doing this until it gives you all your change. And it will just keep doing this until it gives you $15. Now, this is the difference between smart vending and regular vending. You're going to do these type of numbers when you're selling these type of products. Each one of these bottles like $6. So you're going to pull in, you should be at $20,000 to $39,000, bro. Like, easy. And then that's how you do that. It's that simple.